Alright guys, we are going to go over improper fractions and mixed numbers using division and multiplication. We're going to start with an improper fraction of 15 over 2. We know it's improper because the numerator is larger than the denominator. Right? So that makes it an improper fraction. To do this, we're going to use division because 15 over 2, 15 divided by 2. So let's do our division problem. 15 divided by 2. Okay, we know that 2 times 7 is 14, so we're going to put 7 times 2 is 14. Do our subtraction. 15 minus 14 is 1. Okay, so this is our new whole number for our mixed number. And this is our new numerator. This should always be smaller than your denominator. Our denominator here is 2. If your new numerator is larger than your denominator, then you need to go back and check your division math, your subtraction, and make sure that you got the right number up there. Okay? So we're going to take this whole number, it's going to be 7, our new numerator, and put it over our current denominator of 2. So this is our mixed number. This is our improper fraction. Okay? So our next one is 20 thirds. 20 divided by 3. I want you to pause here and solve this one, and then push play and check your work. So pause and solve, and then push play. Alright, so let's check your work and see how we did. So 20 thirds is 20 divided by 3. 20 divided by 3. 3 times 5 is 15, so I need a little bit more. 3 can go in one more time, so 3 times 6 is 18. Do my subtraction. 20 minus 18 leaves me 2. So this is my new whole number. This is my new numerator. And I check and see that 2 is smaller than 3, my denominator, so I'm good there. So my mixed number is 6 and 2 thirds. Okay? Nice work. Alright, so let's look at changing a mixed number to an improper fraction. So if we did division to get our whole numbers, we're going to use multiplication and addition to get our improper fractions. The way we do this is you take your whole number times your denominator plus your numerator. Sorry. So we're going to have 2 times 3 is 6 plus my numerator of 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. So this is my new numerator. And I keep the same denominator, so it'll be 8 thirds. And if I want to check, to change this improper back into a mixed number, I would do 8 divided by 3. 8 divided by 3. Well, 3 times 2 is 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. So I have 2 and 2 thirds. Right? This is just a check. This is my answer. my improper fraction. Just to show you the relationship, how you can go back and forth. Okay, so I want you to do 1 3/5. We have 1 3/5. I want you to pause here and solve it, and then push play and check your work. All right, let's see how you did. So, first step, right? We're going to multiply our our whole number times our denominator, which would be 1 times 5 equals 5. Check that step. Is that how you did it? And then we're going to add our numerator, sorry. So then we have 5 plus 3 is 8. So now what? What is this 8? This 8 is now our new numerator. You don't have to label this every time. I'm just doing this for your notes, so it will be repetitive and you'll know what to do with it. So 8, keep the same denominator, fifths. Hopefully that's what you got. If you got something different, rewind this video and see where you did something different and make that correction. All right, guys, nice mouthing.